Hey friends, welcome back to Goddard's Science Kitchen. I'm your host, Mr. Drew, and joining me today is going to be Mr. John. Welcome, Mr. John, welcome.
Thanks, Mr. Drew.
So today we're going to be making Oobleck.
We're making what?
Oobleck.
One more time.
Oobleck.
Gesundheit.
It's Mr. John. Oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid, meaning that if you hit it hard enough, your hand won't go through. But if you just kind of let it sit there, it'll start to sink.
So like quicksand?
A lot like quicksand, except for it's Oobleck. So, we've got our cornstarch here, as well as our food coloring, so that way we can make it some different colors. And we've got our bucket of water, so that way we can add that and get going.
Sweet. Let's do it.
So the first thing we want to do, we want to make sure that we add our cornstarch. Now, the ratio of cornstarch to water is going to be a little bit high, so make sure you're not making too much Oobleck at one time, because you might run out of ingredients. Smell, smell that starch.
How about we do it a little gentler this time?
Yeah, that sounds like a good. There we go. Nice, easy pat. Oh, come on. Next, I'm going to be adding our water. Ugh. Now remember how I said you need a lot of water? Add it a little bit at a time. That way, your Oobleck doesn't become too runny, because then it won't be a non-Newtonian fluid. Instead, it'll be
A fluid?
a fluid.
Okay.
Where's my big ladle? Mr. John, where's my, I left it on, there it is. I left my big ladle on set. We're gonna use our big ladle. I would suggest using maybe a wooden spoon, but we're gonna use our ladle to stir. As we can see, already, the ladle is having a hard time going into this
Should I use my hands?
non-Newtonian fluid. Well, not yet, Mr. John, because we don't want to make a mess. Remember, friends, make sure you're doing this with a parent or guardian, so that way you're not getting everything messy and dirty all by yourself. And so that way they can have fun too. All right. Woo!
How about messy?
Talk about messy. I think we should add some more cornstarch. Now you can find cornstarch at your local grocery store.
Let me stir that for you, Mr. Drew, while
That
you add
sounds
that
like
in.
a great plan. Now, I don't know if you friends can see this at home, but it's becoming a bit harder for Mr. John to stir this Oobleck, because as it is a non-Newtonian fluid, the fluid itself is resisting as he moves the ladle. Like I said, friends, you need a large ratio of cornstarch to water to get this perfect.
Ooh, look at that.
Ooh. It's looking pretty non-Newtonian if you ask me. So, while Mr. John is stirring this mixture, I'm going to reach over and grab our food coloring. So, we're going to start off with some yellow, and I'm just going to add a few drops, not too much. 2, 3. And as you can see, it's starting to turn a little bit more yellow than it was before.
Woo!
Oh, but wait! Oobleck is traditionally green. So what color do you think I'm going to add to my yellow to get green? That's right, I'm going to be adding some blue food coloring to my yellow. I might need to add a little bit more yellow too, but we'll find out. Remember, not too much. I'm just adding 2 little drops of blue. That's a bit too blue for my liking, so I'm going to have to go ahead and add some more yellow.
I think we may need some more cornstarch. Just a little bit more.
Ooh, that's making a nice green color there. All right, so I'm going to add some more cornstarch since Mr. John.
Look how green that is.
Now I'm going to make sure that I put the lid back on our cornstarch just in case. That way it doesn't fall and make a huge mess.
Now it's really getting tough. How are we looking, Mr. Drew?
I think it's looking pretty non-Newtonian if
Newtonian.
you do ask me. All right, let me try to. I'm going to stick my hand in. Now, I can stick my hand in without asking an adult because I am an adult. But remember, friends at home, don't stick in your hands and make a huge mess unless you ask one of your parents or guardians first.
Mr. Drew, did you wash your hands?
I did wash my hands, Mr. John.
All right.
Remember, before every activity, you want to make sure you're washing your hands, and afterwards, you want to wash them as well. All right.
Find out first.
First, I'm going to try to go in and see if it goes. That's not non-Newtonian enough. That's just a liquid.
Looks like we need more cornstarch, Mr. Drew.
A little bit more cornstarch, but I don't want to be wasteful. So I'm just going to try and pick up a little at the bottom here to show you what we're talking about when we mean non-Newtonian. See, getting all drippy and goopy. But if you pick it up fast enough and you just run it through your hands, the liquid still drips. All right, we're going to add a little bit more cornstarch. All right. There we go. That should be
enough.
Like I said, friends, you want to add a lot of cornstarch, a little bit of water. All right, I'm going to hold it up. I'm going to hold it up for our friends at home.
All right.
All right. So see, I've got a nice solid rock. What's happening? No. Oh, man, it's running all out of my hands. Better catch it. There we go. Notice how it's not dripping. And that is how you make a non-Newtonian fluid.
What is it called again?
Oobleck. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you have a great day. Thank you, Mr. John.
Go watch it.
I will.